Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing an espresso machine from a Sage called Barista Pro. I am not being sponsored for this unboxing exercise from the brand. Maybe they should. I'm doing this to share my experience, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Let's do this. This espresso machine was delivered very well packaged. And there's a lot of features detail about this espresso machine on this box. Looks pretty good overall. So let's start the unpacking and open the box. As you can see, there is some documentation and number of accessories, which I will explain each of these later in the video when I will do my unboxing. So it's a bit tricky to take it out, but let's keep going. I must say it's very well packaged even inside. So this espresso machine looks pretty impressive and looks like very well built. There was 5 colors that you can choose from, and I chose black for myself. And I like this little message that tells you to empty the tray. So when you pull this out, and it has a nice little compartment to put all the accessories like filter baskets and stuff. So if you move now the coffee on the side, on the right side, it has this button which is one side is for get the steam in the milk, and the other one is to get a hot water, which is very handy to have a espresso or just to make a tea occasionally. So this machine comes with a built-in grinder at the top, and it has about 30 different settings. So the lower the numbers, it means it's a finer coffee, and this is the most important aspect of making a coffee at home. So these are all the accessories that comes with it. So this is a 54 mm stainless steel portafilter. It's a bit heavy and very well made, and it's ideal size for 18-gram freshly ground coffee. And this is a water filter that we need to install on a water tank at the back side of the espresso machine. So this is the cleaning kit that comes with the coffee machine, and the coffee machine will tell you when it needs a clean, so it will be handy that time. This is the temper that basically push the coffee down to make sure that it kind of squeezed in to this portafilter. And next one, we have a razor for dosing to make sure that there is enough room. So this tool will help us to remove all the extra coffee from the basket. So this machine comes with a milk jug of 54 ml in size, and it is made of stainless steel and looks pretty good. And on the side it has a min and a max labels, which is again very handy to make sure that we don't add too much milk. So the machine comes with the 3 additional baskets. So 2 of these pressurized and 2 of these non-pressurized, single wall basket and dual wall basket. So this first one is a single basket, perfect for freshly ground coffee, and this one is if you have pre-ground coffee which is not freshly. So this is a single shot, a dual basket, again useful for pre-ground coffee. So it's a bit tricky to replace the filter basket from the portafilter, and I normally use a screwdriver to pull from the side on the edges and then push it up, and it just works for me that way. So if you put it on everything on the coffee machine and then turn on, and it will do the pre-flush on the coffee. May take a minute or 2, depends. So after this exercise, it's all ready to start the coffee, and I have created a separate video how I dial in to this coffee machine, so check it out. So if you have made it this far, thank you very much for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much again.